Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video we will discuss difference between genetics and genomics. First, we will talk about genetics. What is genetics? Genetics is transmission of characters from parents to offspring and variation within population. We know that transmission of character from parents to offspring is called hereditary, and hereditary plus variation within population, it is called genetics. So genetics is a phenomenon or a study of phenomenon where characters are transferred from parents to offspring and variation within population, and we know that these characters are caused by genes. So actually these are not characters that are passed from parents to offspring, these are genes that are passed from parents to offspring, and variation of trait within population is actually variation within genes. So it is study of genes. Genetics is study of genes. But in case of genomics is different from genetics, because genomics is the study of complete genetic material of organism. So when we study all the DNA that is present in a human, then it will be called genomics of human. Genomic study of human. But when we study all the genes and how these genes are transferred from parents to offspring and how there is a variation within population of human, then it will be called genetics. So genetics is about the study of genes, and it is study of complete genetic material, not genes. So second point is this genetics focus on genes only. It focuses on the study of genes and function of genes and how these genes are transferred from parents to offspring and how these genes vary within population. So this is called genetics. But genomics focus on entire genome. In case of human, we know that our genetic material is DNA. So it focuses on the study of DNA, entire genome of organism. The third point is genetics includes study of genes only. In genetics, we will study genes only, the function of genes, how genes vary within population or within species or within different species, and how these genes are transferred from parents to offspring. So in genetics, we will study about genes, but in genomics, we will study about both genes and non-coding DNA. We know that in our genome there are genes and some DNA is there that is non-coding. So in case of genomics, we will study both. We will study genes and non-coding DNA also. Gene plus non-coding DNA. It is called genomics. But when we will study genes only, then it is called genetics. So the basic difference between genetics and genomics is, in genetics, we only study genes, the function of gene, how genes are vary within population, and how these genes are transferred from parents to offspring. But in case of genomics, we will study complete genetic material of organism. So this is the difference between genetics and genomics.